Right there. Shoot him.
Shoot him.
Shoot him. Well, we're like 11 minutes in. What are you guys doing today? What's going on?
He was limited out yesterday.
That one's a drake, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
That one's a young drake, I think.
He's younger.
The left one's a young drake.
I see him.
They're all coming in there.
If Bruce wants to flush them up and shoot at them, then just be ready, Michelle, if they fly across. They'll probably fly across the front.
Hey!
Pick one.
I don't know.
Too many?
No, they were like all going away.
You can shoot them going away.
I don't know. They were like that way.
Stay low.
Should he come?
Get ready, get ready. Whole pile. Right there. Shoot him. Pick one.
Shoot him.
Shoot him. Stay low. Right here. Get ready, get ready. Whole pile. Right there. Shoot him. Pick one. Shoot. I don't know what
There's
happened.
one over there too.
Reload. I don't know what you guys did there.
That was.
I know, I
I
did.
don't think you guys are missing around.
Yep, reload. There's. Shoot him, Bruce. Michelle, reload and get ready. Bruce got one.
Yeah, I saw him.
Jump out of line now. Did you bring your gun?
Right here, Michelle. Oh,
Yeah, you're
you here.
Come on, come on.
That one's
Bring your
fine.
gun.
Right here, right here.
I was not ready.
Yep,
You
right
bring
here.
your gun.
Shoot it. Reload.
I went below it.
Yeah, that's okay. It was climbing.
Yeah, I saw that.
That was a drake, too.
I'm in, Bruce. Right here.
Right there. Kill it, Michelle. Too late.
Where?
Come on.
Right
Reload,
here.
Bruce.
Where was I looking?
Right here. Coming to drop in the right
Right
hand.
here.
See him? See him? Shoot. Shoot him.
Just bring your gun.
Right here. Right here. Oh,
I was
too late.
not ready.
Yep, right here. That one. Shoot it. Reload.
I went below it.
Yep, that's okay. It was climbing.
Yeah, I saw that.
That was a drake, too.
I'm in, Bruce. Right here.
Right there. Kill it, Michelle. Too late.
Where?
Come on.
Right here.
Where was I looking?
Right here. Coming to drop in the right end. See it? See him? Shoot him. You got that.
I did it.
Same gun.
Reload. Michelle has one.
Bruce has one too.
Michelle destroyed the decoys.
Oopsie.
I said, Michelle might have. Right here off the back, Bruce.
Got him.
Get ready when we go.
That's a drake to the right. Nope, nope, nope.
That hurt my shoulder, that last one.
Yeah, gotta keep it tight. Right here, right here. There's three out front. Oh, they didn't hook.
I did keep it tight. It's just
Yeah.
like I shot like 3 times and that hurt. That's
You've
what I
been doing
thought.
a lot more missing today.
Yeah.
Take your time and pick a bird.
I know.
It's okay.
My shoulder hurts. There's
Coming
one.
in.
There's one.
I don't think it's come this way or not. Yep, yep. You watch that right side though. They seem to be coming off this point a lot today.
Yeah.
They're shooting over there.
Alright, coming straight at us. See if they drop low. Coming in. To him, right side, right side.
Oh yeah, straight
Coming
up
in. Get ready to take him.
See him? Get ready. Straight ahead, straight ahead.
Take him.
Shoot him, shoot him. Pick one and shoot.
Yep.
Right. Another one out front.
I only have one shot.
They're not decoying as good today,
No.
which is making it harder for them.
Right side, right side. Too far.
You're too far. Right there, coming at us.
Yep. Be ready. Be ready.
There you go.
They're going away now.
Yeah, you gotta get your aim
high, up
back in.
Oh yeah.
You're missing today. I'm just sitting here.
Right there's another across the front.
I just said that.
Coming in, right side. Oh, no. Thought they were gonna hook.
Where were you even looking?
Right. Most of the left ones that you see are gonna be ones that are busting off of their point.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
good?
keep an eye on that duck that's floating away.
Right here.
Right side.
Get ready. Be ready.
Coming in.
Coming right in. Get
Go.
ready.
Shoot him.
Shoot him.
Yeah. Nope. There's one that went that way.
Yeah. I just didn't want you to cross Bruce.
Yeah, I did.
They were.
You shoot all three, then.
Yeah.
Yeah, he shot all three.
They are not in the land of the decoy today.
No, but I mean they're right there. Those are still easy shots. You guys just gotta get the feel for it.
I couldn't shoot that one.
Right here, right here, straight off front.
Coming in. Take it, Bruce. Nope.
Nope.
Nope, nope, nope.
Shoot
Nope.
it,
Yeah,
shoot
take
it, shoot it, shoot it, shoot it.
Nope.
Right here. Nope, nope.
Nope.
Yep. Coming in, Michelle left. Left side.
Right there.
Nope.
He's flaring.
He veered.
Oh, there was one above us. I don't know where
Oh.
he came from.
Four left, four left.
Oh my gosh.
Fisher.
I was ready
Right
for
out
that.
front, right out
Right
front.
up front. Coming in. Let's see if they think.
They started
There's like
hooking.
5 of them.
Oh, right. Wow, those were below the tree line. We couldn't even see them.
Yeah, I was watching the other 4 back.
Right there. There's one. Nope, it's
He's
veered.
following the other one.
Oh, get ready to go. Another shot scared him.
Come
He
on.
would have worked over us.
Oh, coming right off the water. They had a bunch of decoy in that spread. I didn't even see that group. There was a tree line. Bruce, right here.
Right here,
Come in
right-
front.
Right over our heads, one too. Nope.
Can't shoot that. Over there.
Bruce, right side.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
There's one off the back there.
He moved.
Just sit there.
Well, we're like 11 minutes in. What are you guys doing today? What's going on?
She was limited out yesterday. Get that beat on the
Because
head.
you got to remember when you guys are shooting at them, they're probably climbing at that point. Because they were dropping in, but then by the time you stand up and get on them, they're climbing back out. So you got to cover them. You got to get up by their head. Right
Gotta
two
come
up front.
Right, up, right in front.
Right there.
Get Bruce. Got one.
Last dead.
Here's another one coming
Another
around
coming
from
in.
the north. The decoy hasn't sunk yet that I think. Looked like you had just completely swatted when that one was backpedaling.
Oopsie doops.
They might have both because they both shot that. The one that she come on the second shot, they both were aiming at that one. I was like, 4 ducks, you guys both picked the same one. What do you guys do?
When it was going out this way, I
That
thought
one
for
looks
sure
closer.
I
Michelle.
want the one that's closer.
When it started going out this way, and Michelle was swinging on it, I thought for sure she was gonna destroy the mojo because it was straight in line with the mojo. I'm like, oh, don't shoot, please, don't blow up the mojo. I don't care about the decoys, but don't blow up the mojo.
Oopsie.
You didn't. You waited till after it got past it.
Well,
Yeah,
I wasn't on it when it was.
I think yours is a young Drake, Michelle.
I wasn't on it when it was here. Oh yeah, that does look like a young Drake.
Yeah, I think yours is a young Drake.
Cause I didn't have it on it when I was here.
Can you squat down a little more?
Yeah.
In case some
My
come around the
back's starting to hurt.
corner. Yeah.
Great.
You can also sit in this spot if you want.
They got scared.
They didn't like that.
They got scared. They should fly it this way.
Left side, left side.
Yeah, I see it.
And around the point.
Off the front. Low on the water.
Yeah. There was another one I just saw on the
I can't even see.
I lost sight of it.
I don't know. There's 3 high ones over there.
Come in front, front,
Right
front,
right
right
up
out.
front. See it, Michelle?
Shoot it.
Shoot it. Shoot it.
That hurt my ear.
There you go. Shoot it.
Oh, right, Michelle.
Michelle, you got a shell in?
There, shoot it.
Right there.
No, Michelle.
Shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it.
I wasn't ready.
Alright, nope. Michelle, you got a shell in? Here. Right there. Shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot
I
it.
wasn't ready.
Oh, alright, nope.
I only had 1 shell in.
That's fine.
That's all you need.
Yeah. You were right of it. Bruce is at 2, Michelle's at 1.
I should have 2. No, I should have 3.
You guys should all be done.
Yeah.
They're the ones
You
that
guys
made
are
when I
shooting.
shoot the first one.
That's good. Yeah, you're struggling a little more with your shooting.
3.
Where's Michelle's back? Oh, right here, right here.
Right here. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot the back.
She got the one down.
Nice.
Is it down? I'm gonna go get it.
Okay. Should I just turn this off? Oh, it was off.
You just focus on hunting. I'm gonna go grab that one.
Okay. How many
I
times
think it's dead enough I can grab it. Get it home. Grab this one right
Yeah,
away.
we both got 2.
Yeah, just go quick.
Is it a hen or a drake?
No, I'm joking around.
You can't go all the way back.
Hen or drake? Father.
That one's pretty far out there now. Oh, that's nice.
Drake?
If anything starts working, I'll just crouch down. That's a nice one,
That's a
Michelle.
real nice one. Michelle probably did. Very nice.
Like the one you shot.
You see the one that's way out there, Joe?
Yeah, like all the way a million miles away. That's a cormorant.
I'm gonna show the other one.
Yep, that's my other one. Oh my gosh, she's going all the way out there.
It's shallow enough. He thought the water would push it. Oh, right in front of us, right in front of us. Bruce, take it.
That's yours. I didn't see it in time. I'm like, oh my god.
You said be cognizant of Joe being on your right. You should have got that though.
I didn't see it.
You're loaded. Come in. Take it. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, shoot, shoot, shoot.
I was not. I got stuck.
Drake wasn't it?
Michelle, you gotta keep it your gun barrel
Oh,
up.
two.
There's one off the other side too.
Get ready.
That was a hen, so I didn't shoot.
That would have been a
No,
dead
you guys are
duck.
fine. No, you guys probably would have missed that. That thing was on top of us. I just, with where Uncle Joe is, Bruce, that's why I told you to hold. You gotta be cognizant of what you're targeting, what's beyond, right?
Be certain of your target, what's before and beyond it.
Oh, oh,
Oh my gosh.
nope, nope. Shoot it!
You here too, Bruce? One's a hen. Here's Michelle's. That one's a young Drake. You were right.
Yes.
Yep, left side coming in off the water real low.
I see him.
You ready, Michelle?
I see him.
They're screaming in. Right at you. You ready, Bruce?
Take it for fun.
Shoot him. Shoot it, shoot. There you go, nice job.
Yeah.
Michelle's done.
Woo.
Here,
Bruce is
high
done.
five.
I shot that one.
I don't know if you hit
Keep
that.
your gun loaded though.
Yep,
in case
I'm
there's any-
I'm reloading for mallards and stuff.
I doubt it, but you never know. Holy crap, you almost went through a box of shells this morning, Michelle.
Right here, right side, Bruce, right side. Coming in. Take it. Right side, take it. Take it, Bruce. Shoot. It makes it more fun though than a 10-minute limit. It's a little bit worse on your dad's pocketbook though. No. I'll take it out of the thing. Yeah, I don't think it's dead then.
Okay,
What a snipe machine.
I shot a goose and I forgot to turn on the hat. Gosh darn it. There was a duck just off the front. It veered though on the corner.
Let's crouch down.
Oh dear. Ow. I got stuck on the chair.
Great shot.
Uncle Joe's gotta go fight it though.
Okay, so we're gonna leave this on for now. That's gonna be a good idea, Michelle. Safety zone. How was that?
Found it or no?
What? Yeah? Wow, they are big.
This one took some chasing. It's
I
really hard
believe
to
that. It was
chase
just
a
a
line.
wing. Because when you were walking off, I said, Uncle Joe's gotta go wrestle a goose.
Nice job, Michelle. He's bleeding a little.
Cut. Okay, thank you guys for watching today's brand new video. The youth duck hunt went really good. We limited out on our 3 wood ducks both days, and I did get my first goose. But thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a brand new video. Bye.